Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video is going to show you the messaging and chatting system of vitepos. Let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. And if you are already a subscriber to our channel, then thank you so much for subscribing. vitepos added a new module on admin panel for restaurant pause that is a messages option. On this module, you can create shortcut messages for all users or specific users like waiters, kitchen, and cashiers. To create shortcut messages, you have to click on the Add Shortcut Message. Then give the title. On Choose Panel, you have to select the panel and then give the message. Then click on the Add button and you can see the message added on the list. Now we are creating some shortcut messages for other panels. Then go to the Deny Reason tab. Click on Add Deny Reason. Here you have to give the Deny Reason message title and then give the message. After clicking on the Add button, the message will show on the list. Now go to the waiter panel, then create an order and send it to the kitchen. We can see the order added into the waiter panel. Now we can send messages to the kitchen using shortcuts. Click on the message and then click on the shortcut icon. Here we can see the shortcut messages that we created for all and the waiter panel. Now we send a message using the shortcuts. On the kitchen panel, we see the order. Here we also see the waiter message. Now we reply to the waiter using the shortcut message we have created for the kitchen. On the kitchen panel, if the chef wants to deny any order, then you have to click on the Deny Icon button, then select the Deny Reason. Here see the Deny Reason message that we have created on the admin panel. Select it and then click on Deny Order. On the cashier panel, we see the order. Here we also see the waiter and kitchen messages. Now we are replying using the shortcut message we have created for the cashier. That concludes our overview of the messaging and chatting system of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.